Dear students of Shia Online Quran Academy, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, kaifa mean how. Kaifa mean how. Takfuruna, you disbelieve. Kaifa takfuruna, how can you disbelieve? Billahi, in Allah. Wa kuntum, while you were. While kuntum, you were. Amwata, lifeless. فَأَحْيَاكُمْ, then he gave you life. ثُمَّ, then يُمِيتُكُمْ, he will give you death. ثُمَّ يُحْيِيكُمْ, then he will bring you to life. ثُمَّ, then إِلَيْهِ, unto him تُرْجَعُونَ, you will be returned. هُوَ, he, الَّذِي, who, خَلَقَ, created, لَكُمْ, for you, ma, what, fil ardi, in the earth, jami'a, all, thumma stawa, then he returned, ila samai, to the heaven, fasawwahunna, and he made them, sab'a, 7 samawatin, heavens, wa huwa, and he, bikulli, of every, Shay'in alim, thing, of everything is all alim, all knower. Wa'idh, and when qala, said, Rabbaka, your Lord, lil malaikati, to the angels, inni, verily I am, ja'ilun, going to place, fil ardi, in the earth, khalifatan, a successor. Qalu, they said. Remember it, dear students. Qala mean he said, and qalu mean they said. They said, angels said, Ataj'alu, will you place, fiha, in it, man who, yufsidu fiha, will make mischief in it, wa yasfiku dima, and will shed the blood, wa nahnu, and we, nusabbihu, glorify you, bihamdika, with your praises and thanks, wa nuqaddisu, and we sanctify, laka, to you. Qala, he said, inni, indeed, I a'lamu, I know, indeed I know, ma la ta'lamun, what you do not know, I know, indeed I know, what you do not know. Lama Adama, and he taught Adam, al-asma'a, the names, kullaha, all of them. Thumma, then, aradahum, he set them, alal malaikati, before the angels. Faqala, mean then, qala mean said, faqala, then said, ambi'uni, mean tell me, bi asma'i, the names. Haulai mean of these, in, if, kuntum, you are, sadiqeen, truthful. In kuntum sadiqeen, if you are truthful. Qalu, they said. Qalu mean they said, subhanaka, glory is to you. Qalu subhanaka, they said, glory is to you. La, no, ilma, knowledge. Lana, is for us. Illa, except. Illa mean except. Ma, what. Illa ma, except what. Allamtana, you have taught us. Allamta, you have taught, na, us. Innaka, verily you. Inna, verily ka, you. Innaka, verily you. Antal alimu, anta, you are. Alimu, al-alimu, the all-knower. Al-hakim, all, and the hakim, al mean the, hakim mean all wise. Qala, he said, Ya Adamu, O Adam, inform whom them. Inform them, bi asma'i, of their names, Falamma, and when, fa mean and lamma mean when. Falamma, and when, amba'a, he informed whom them. Amba'ahum, he informed them, bi asma'i, of their names. Qala, he said, alam aqul, alam I tell, did not, aqul I tell, lakum, to you, inni, that I, a'lamu, I know. Inna mean that, ya, I, a'lamu, know. Inni a'lamu, that I know. Ghaib mean unseen. Ghaib as-samawati, unseen of the heavens. Wal ardi, and the earth. Wa a'lamu, and I know. Ma, what, tubduna, you reveal. Wa ma kuntum, and ma, what, kuntum, you have been. Taktumun, canceling, taktumun, counseling, and what you have been counseling. Jazakallah, dear students, remember it and try to write down and send us before coming class tomorrow. Inshallah, we will check your homework. Mu'minin and Mu'minat, we are providing online Quran classes. If someone wants to take online Quran classes, they can contact us. Jazakallah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala Muhammadin wa ajil farajahum.